we're back. That was week 4, day 1, and I'm smiling. I am not dying. I took my inhaler before and after. Didn't take any footage again. It was raining, so I can use that excuse for all this. So yeah, 2 sets of 5 minutes, 2 sets of 3 minutes, mixed with some walking in between. And I'm doing this all without music, because I'm doing it with my partner, and we talk to each other. This time I didn't talk so much because I can't talk when I'm dying. I really should try and get some footage to prove I'm not just gone outside in the rain. And I always film in here because I'm going in the shower. So, hopefully I'm just happy next time. I'm just happy I done 5 minutes. Bye! We're about to go on week 4, day 2. I've got a new headband to keep my hair out my face. And we just got back from week 4, day 2. This is how cool I look. It was all here like this. So much cooler like that. Anyway. Casper hasn't been out yet because we haven't even had dinner yet, or tea as we like to say in the northeast. So we went out before tea and he goes out for a walk after tea, so he's not very happy with us. We went further than we ever had this time because we're on Stavia and it tells you. And it was hard, but it's getting better slowly. And now I better make tea because my kids are starving. We are just about to go on week 4, day 3. I've got my headband on, I've got a different bum bag that's a bit bigger. I can't even see me, like, she's having this bit like that. Week 4, day 3. We just got back from week 4, day 3. That's the end of week 4 now. That was 3 minutes running, 5 minutes running, 3 minutes, then 5 minutes. And week 5, day 1, is going to be 3 sets of 5 minutes running. And you must think my dog cries all the time. Shut the door so people can't hear me talking like a lunatic. I did try and take some footage while I was out this time, but it's dark when we'll go out, so we'll see what that looks like when I edit. So that's the end of week 4. Yay! That's the end of week 4, yay! We're back. Oh, we're back. I can run it. Week 4, day 2. Got my headband on. See you soon.
Video of you walking?
Yeah. People who do this on YouTube do that in the walking bits.